May was for the moms and June is about dads, so let's get ready for Father's Day. Amy Latta has another Getting Crafty idea for us. It's a fun and easy gift bag. And Amy, I just said to Amy Kem that, May, all of the kids make stuff in school for mom. Dads get left behind because school's out usually by June. So you're going to help us with this today, correct?
Yes, that's so true. We need to step it up and do something very special for dad. So, whatever the gift is, that whether you buy it or you create it, we can make this special gift bag to help us give it. And it just is that little bit of extra effort and fun. So, what we're going to do is take a paper bag, and you can use a brown one like I did, or you can also use a white one, which would look like a white dress shirt. And the first step is that we're going to cut off just the very top of the bag so that we have a straight line because most paper bags have that little divot in the top. So we want to get rid of that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut a horizontal slit in each side of the top. And I measured this, it's about an inch and an inch and a half in, but you can freehand it. You can just kind of do it by eye. But all you're doing is just cutting those two little slits. And then we're going to be able to take those slits and fold them down to form the collar of dad's shirt. But before we do that, this is the time where you're going to open up your gift bag and you're going to fill it with whatever dad's present is. Because if you don't do that now, it's going to be closed and you're not going to be able to put the gift inside. So make sure that you put something in here. We don't want to give dad just an empty bag, right, Brett?
That's right. Yes.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to take some tape. I use double-sided adhesive, or you can use tape, you can use glue stick, whatever it is that you have on hand. And we're just going to fold these little corners down toward the center, and this creates the look of the collar on the dress shirt. We're going to attach those in place. And then the last step is we're creating a tie using either patterned scrapbook paper, or you can use just colored cardstock. Mine is actually reversible, so you can choose which one you like better. Another fun idea that would make this even more personal. So I have the template for this tie on my website that you can trace it onto whatever you want and cut it out. Wouldn't it be fun if you traced it onto a piece of paper and then let the kids decorate it? So you could use stickers, they could color things, draw things, write a message for dad. So that's another option for the tie. But whatever paper you want to use, whether it's a piece of art or whether it's your scrapbook paper, you're just going to cut that tie out using the template. And then you're going to attach that onto the front of your bag as the finishing touch. And then you have this little dress shirt with a tie that dad gets with his gift inside.
That looks neat. And yes, always fill that bag and then finish the project. We can get the idea for this, and as you said, those templates on your website. Remind us again what that is and what else people can find on there.
Sure, it's amylattacreations.com, and you can find it's free to download and print this out. Just print it at 100% size and then trace it and cut it out. And then there's lots of other craft ideas as well. There's the things that I shared earlier, as well as things that I've been sharing for the last 10 years. So you can find all kinds of archives of other Father's Day projects, the gifts that you can put inside the bag, summer projects, and you can also learn about my books, my fabric collection, and my brand new shop.
Sounds good to me. Amy, thanks for your time. Always good seeing you.